Morning, everybody. It is 9:30 in the morning, and we are currently on the way, as you can tell by the title, on our way to pick up my latest unnecessary purchase, a Volkswagen T4. It's a California model, pop-top Campervan. So we're gonna get a taste of the van life, hopefully at some point. It's gonna need a lot of work before that. I'll get back to you when we're at the vehicle. See you there.
Down to Mars, girls. Now my team, own brothers I ride with, though I got no whip. Brothers we scheme, tryna cuff a bad bitch. All this light skin shorty that can rock them hips. Goddamn, but she frontin', say she only messing with the finest. Well, Caroline, oh Caroline, here's a nickel for your thoughts. I'll give you what I got. Cause Caroline, you a dime and I'm still the same boy rocking Levi's in the fitted. Same boy downtown living. Let me show you round town. I've been around girls, but I can't front. I ain't been around too many women. Wait. Pardon me, you a bitch with lips that I would kiss, but shit, your shit stink. So quit tripping, thinking that we on the same damn page. Dumb bitch, I'ma leave that shit blank. Caroline, oh Caroline, Caroline, all the guys would say she's mighty fine. She's mighty fine, but mighty fine only got you summer half the time. Word. And the other half either got you cursed out or coming up short. Yeah, now dig this now, even though you need a goal and calculator to divide the time it took to look inside and realize the real guys go for real. Down to Mars, girls. Work. I know you like to think yo shit don't stink, but lean a little bit closer, see that roses really smell like. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Let it vibe like roses really smell like. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Let it vibe like work. I know you like to think yo shit don't stink, but lean a little bit closer, see that roses really smell like. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Let it vibe like roses really smell like. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Let it vibe like work. Little rascals all ground, from the fights and stitches, from the bikes to a car that's tinted. Where I fucked Veronica, but she won't admit it. Cause I fucked Betty too, I'm just Archie with it. Woo. But you let me on, after you was underneath with my leather on. Too many games, I'm guessing if you play too many games, it's bound you'll get cheated on. Cause you're looking like a rose, but damn you a thorn. Since you got a halo, goddamn you got horns. Fuck it, we gon' keep the drinks pouring, plus the cup the new broad. And she foreign, yeah she foreign, she ain't local. At least she ain't local. Fragrant Chanel, so her scent is so cocoa. At 60 frames when she moves it go slow-mo. So crash in the ditch, cause YOLO, yeah bitch. Caroline, oh Caroline, Caroline, all the guys would say she's mighty fine. She's mighty fine, but mighty fine only got you summer half the time. Word. And the other half either got you cursed out or coming up short. Yeah, now dig this now, even though you need a goal and calculator to divide the time it took to look inside and realize the real guys go for real. Down to Mars, girls. Work. I know you like to think yo shit don't stink, but lean a little bit closer, see that roses really smell like. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Let it vibe like roses really smell like. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Let it vibe like work. I know you like to think yo shit don't stink, but lean a little bit closer, see.
Oh, I've just changed camera, so we will now be on the GoPro. I don't know how the audio will be, but you'll have to tell me down below. Right now there's a bunch of noise happening inside, but let's go check on the progress of the T4.
Too much whiskey in my red cup. Remember first day you wouldn't give it up. We had only scratched the surface.
I don't know if you can hear me at all from the VW being built in the background, but I have started the teardown of the interior in here. You can tell.
Once the fame hit, make it up, take you down, have a shot, I bought a round. down, play my songs. You like the sound? It's going down, it's going down. Let's drink coffee, watch passerbys, and prove to you I'm not the average guy. It's just my flaws that they magnify, and when it's real, you don't have to try. I wish there was another way. Tomorrow is another day. Drugs take the pain away. Sometimes I wanna run away. I wish there was another way. Tomorrow is another day. Drugs take the pain away. Sometimes I wanna run away.
Alright, picking up where we left yesterday, almost. Contrary to my beliefs about the kitchen, it actually turned out to be quite the hassle to remove. So I'll probably get back to that, and if you're interested, I might actually make a separate video about it. So didn't really get that far with the rest of it. I actually thought I had all the bolts out, but my Webasto, the diesel heater system, is actually bolted. Right here, it sits on the bottom, and it's actually bolted up into the bottom of the kitchen. So I had to get it on the lift in order to remove the diesel heater first. But it should be ready now. And due to the fact that we're actually doing, it's me and my dad building the car, so we're both on it. And we've just started the sheet metal, so I had to remove the side of the car here in order to remove all of the insulation, so that when we weld and cut the wheel arches, it won't set on fire. So we've actually already cut the old fender off and marked this line. We're putting some over fenders on it, and this is the line, so we can see how much room we've got to work with when it comes to welding and blending this in. These old VWs are quite known for rust, and this one was no exception to it. As you can see right here, it's all rotten through. There's 2 holes on the bottom of the car, and all of the arches has to be changed. But I actually managed to find quite an awesome kit right here from Poland. Super cheap for all the parts we actually needed for the car to get all the rust work done. It is a 2.4 liter 5-cylinder diesel. This particular one is a non-turbo version. This is how it looks. Not that pretty right now, but it's actually only got about 50,000 miles on it, so that's quite positive. I don't know if it's called like a Polgard. This one is from a later Niva. I also had, or still have it. It is down below, parked right here next to us. But actually, I think I'm gonna cut this one up, lengthen it to fit this car, because I have a plan to make it some sort of an adventure van. So I've got I found a 2-inch lift kit for it, and I've actually went and bought some BFG all-terrain 30-inch tires over here that I will be putting on it. And I think when it comes to paint, I will do it in army green to kind of fit the adventure van purpose. But I think this is gonna be it for the first video. If you have any questions, anything you'd like to see more, whether it be the removing of the interior, we can talk some about sound deadening and insulation when it comes to heat. I'll also be taking the Webasto diesel heater apart, seeing if it is a good idea to fix it or whether to just put a Chinese diesel heater in it. Got a Chinese diesel heater in one of my boats, and it's actually it's perfect. So if the Webasto gives any fight, we'll just change it for a Chinese one. But I think that's it. Please let me know down below if anybody's gonna watch these videos. if there's any particular parts of the rescue mission / renovation that you'd like to see. And if not, then I'll just document whatever I feel like would be fun to watch. All right. Until next time, stay safe. Bye.
If you're involved, 'cause I'm about it. If you